I'm coming with some fresh ingredients, some of the recipes like international around the global. So some you can find some Italians, some Americans, and some like Indian, some Asian cuisine normally. So here is you can see the pork tacos, which is very delicious. You can follow these all ingredients and you can follow this recipe. This very good recipes. You can see the picture of what exactly we have. So if you need something extra additional recipes, please write in the comment, and definitely I'm gonna provide you in the best recipe so you can make it the home. Bit of difficult when you make it the home, but we can make it. You can see here tomato sauce is very super tomato sauce recipes. You can follow up that, and tapanadas, olive oils, garlic, capers, anchovy fillet with so many things over here, and olives. And here is cheese platters, very beautiful cheese platters. We have different kind of cheese, some fruit, fresh fruit, dry fruit, some bread and honey. This all one exactly the combination. And here is very famous in the Italians pesto sauce. If you follow these all ingredients, gonna be super nice your pesto sauce. And here we have some beautiful dishes of Thai cuisines, the Thai curry, the mango soup, and the mango sticky rice. This is very famous and traditional food in Thailand. So if you want more details and something else, please write the comment down so I can provide for you. Here's the beef noodle soup. So we have all the recipes. There is ingredients also, there is picture, so easy. This you can make in the homes. Definitely you can make it at home. So it's a nice and tasty. Sweet chili, always people they're buying from outside. Sometimes you can try from here. All the recipes here very easy and simple. Ketchup you are always using, so tomato you are always using, so just make it that. Some of the items we have to make the habit to make in the homes. So delicious and fresh ingredients you can use in the home, so you can keep in longer. And tabbouleh you can see here. And tabbouleh also there is very famous in the Arab countries. Fresh parsley, it's how nice parsley. Then there is so many mixed ingredients inside. You can make it the home. We have the recipe. There is, if you follow these recipes, you can make super exactly nice. And here in the Indian food, and how to make the pulao. Say how nice there is in the biryani. You can make it in the homes. Home food is totally different. Some of the dishes item there is. We have some. There is in pictures plus the names.